And Demolisher's talk. If you want to do hard, more talk.
That was a bad roaster.
Okay, that's fucking cringe.
You have speed?
The backup. Throw your guy. Just throw your guy. I don't see people talking.
Not yet, Picky. Not yet.
Just make sure you have stacks on the guy.
I'm going down in front of the flame
Where's
Leviathan.
we're in the back, back
Give me
right.
to
I'm with
purple-
you. I'm with you.
corner.
I'm with you.
Purple,
And teach the pirates.
get me to the purple demo. Chill. It's all the way in the back. Yes, nice, good one. Just stay there for a while so I can be safe here. It's okay.
All right, Picky.
Yeah, I'm going in.
I'm loading myself.
Bending.
Shoot the tar, please, so he gets low. I'm under you if you need something. Does anybody need a backup? I'm under you.
I need
Yeah,
a
where you wanna go?
Go to chill.
I mean, still
Shoot on power.
Demo
He's
can-
in show.
I'm
Right,
going
boy.
in now.
Nadine,
Yeah.
take
Your
me to
next
Nidalee.
man, jump to him.
Yeah, he's unmarked.
Nidari,
GG.
okay.
If you're seriously mad with somebody in a bike, heal him. The rest is your number 4, whatever it's called.
Need more people up. We can. Anyone can throw.
Too soon, Picky. Go back.
Then enter my mission.
Need way more people up here.
Kick. And
Shut down.
after the boss die, just check your gear and go next.